Hi, and welcome to Engineering Essentials AutoCAD Instruction. In this episode, we're going to talk about printing from layout space. All right, so let's look at what we're seeing. So we have a piece of paper, because layout space is paper space, so really what you're looking at is the piece of paper that you're going to print out on. On the outside, you'll see this dashed line, which is the printable area. This area changes depending on the printer that you choose, because each printer has a different printable area. All right, so inside the printable area, we have a title block that I've inserted, and then the drawing that is in model space. So what you want to do first is, of course, choose the scale that you're going to print on. This one is printing 1:1. So that's good. And then the application button, print, plot. We choose the printer, the paper that we're printing it on, and we always want to print layout space. So that's easy. We don't have to mess with the 4 different versions if you're printing from model space. Always want to print 1:1 scale. Choose your pen assignment, whether you want to print black and white or color. Choose whether you're printing portrait or landscape, and you're ready to go. You just hit the preview, and what you see is what you're printing. Of course, right here, I have my viewport border on. I would normally turn that off. And we have the rectangle that indicates our limits. I would also hide that as well. But that's it. Printing from layout space is pretty easy. Now, if you're printing a metric drawing, the default metric paper size is just a little bit longer than a normal letter size. So you need to definitely come in here and switch it back to letter size, because that's what you're going to print it out at. But otherwise, it's very similar. All right. Hope you learned something, and I'll see you in the next episode.